Hello friends, today we are going to learn about tooth numbering system. Before going to tooth numbering system, first of all we should know the format. Oral cavity is divided into four quadrants. As we can see, in a tooth numbering system, the tooth is represented as upper right quadrant, upper left quadrant, lower right quadrant and lower left quadrant. In tooth numbering system, teeth are represented in this format only. In 1947, a committee at American Dental Association recommended the symbolic ZSIGMONDAY or Palmer system as the numbering method of choice. In this method, as we can see in dentition, the formula is like as shown, in which this is upper right central incisor, this is upper right lateral incisor, C denotes upper right canine, D denotes upper right first molar and E denotes upper right second molar. In same way, this is upper left central incisor, upper left lateral incisor, upper left canine, upper left molar, upper left second molar. In the same way, the lower portion is showing the lower left and right set of teeth. This is for reference. A denotes central incisor, B denotes lateral incisor, C denotes canine, D represents first molar and E represents the second molar. Coming to permanent dentition, this is right half of the jaw and this is showing left half of the jaw. Similarly, as in deciduous dentition, in this also we start from central incisor to lateral incisor, from center towards outside. That is, number 1 denotes central incisor and number 8 denotes upper right third molar. Similarly, in left upper quadrant, number 1 denotes left upper central incisor and number 8 denotes upper left third molar. Similarly, we can see in lower arch also, number 1 denotes lower left central incisor and number 8 denotes lower left third molar. Similarly is for right lower quadrant. Again, this is for reference. Because of limitations and difficulties with keyboard notation with symbolic notation system, in 1968 the ADO officially recommended the universal numbering system. The universal system of notation for the primary dentition uses uppercase letters for each of the primary teeth. As we can see in this formula, A denotes upper right second molar, B denotes upper right first molar, C represents upper right canine, D represents upper right lateral incisor and E represents upper right central incisor. In the same way, F represents upper left central incisor, G denotes upper left lateral incisor, H denotes upper left canine, I denotes upper left first molar, and J denotes upper left second molar. Similarly, K denotes lower left second molar, L denotes lower left first molar, M represents lower left canine, N represents lower left lateral incisor, and O represents lower left central incisor. P represents lower right central incisor, Q represents lower right lateral incisor, R represents lower right canine, S represents lower right first molar, and T represents lower right second molar. Coming to permanent dentition universal notation. In universal notation system for the permanent dentition, the maxillary teeth are numbered from number 1 to 16. That is 1 to 16. Beginning with the mandibular left third molar, the teeth are numbered 17 through 32. As you can see in this formula, thus the right maxillary first molar is designated as number 3, the maxillary left central incisor as number 9, and maxillary right central incisor as number 8, mandibular left central incisor as number 24, mandibular right central incisor as number 25, and the third molars are represented as number 1 represents upper right third molar, number 32 represents upper right lower third molar, number 16 represents upper left third molar, and number 17 represents lower left third molar. Coming to FDI system, number 5 indicates the maxillary right. This number 5, this indicates the maxillary right quadrant. Number 6 denotes maxillary left quadrant. Number 8 denotes mandibular right quadrant, and number 7 denotes mandibular left quadrant. And the other numbers, the second numbers with these quadrant number is tooth number. So as we can see in this 5-2, number 5 denotes the upper right quadrant, and number 2 denotes the tooth number, that is lateral incisor. So it is showing, number 5-2 is showing upper right lateral incisor. Similarly, in lower arch also, if we see number 7-2, here the number 7 denotes the lower left quadrant, and number 2 denotes the tooth number, that is lateral incisor. So number 7-2 denotes lower left lateral incisor. Similarly, number 5-5 denotes upper right second molar. Number 6-5 denotes upper left second molar. Number 7-5 denotes lower left second molar, and number 8-5 denotes lower right second molar. One thing which we have to keep in mind is that These numbers are read as 85, not 85. We have to read it like 85. Coming to FDI system for permanent dentition, this is similar to deciduous dentition. This is also two-digit number in which the first number shows the quadrant and the second digit shows the tooth number. So in this, first number 1 is indicating the upper right quadrant and second number 1 is denoting the tooth number, that is central incisor. So this is number 1 represents upper right central incisor. Similarly, number 2 is denoting upper left quadrant and number 1 is representing the tooth number, that is central incisor. So this number 2 is showing upper left central incisor. Similarly, this is for lower teeth also. Let's see one example, this 4-3. Here number 4 is indicating the lower right quadrant and number 3 is indicating the tooth number, that is canine. So number 4-3 denotes lower right canine. Hope you guys have understood. If anyone is having any doubt, please do let me know in comment section. Thank you for watching my video. Friends, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and ring the bell icon for latest updates.